welcome back. Today I came up with this look using Birchbox. Guys, this is affordable and the things in it are amazing. I highly recommend this, guys. I do. Anyways, if you want to see how I came up with this look using Birchbox, see you on the other side.
Start twerking like Miley. Oh yeah, twerking like Miley.
Alright guys, this is the Birchbox. Look how beautiful the packaging looks. I love this. It's screaming Christmas, also screaming my name. Let's bump right into this makeup. It comes in with this. This is a leaflet to show you the items in the box. So if there is any missing, you can just dictate it with this. The first item I'm going to be using is the Thermotherapy Warming Silver Foil Mask with vitamin C and green tea. Suitable for all skin types. This is anti-aging formula. Self-warming, energizes complexion. Foil mask ensures intense moisture penetration. And this is not supposed to be used on wounds. It's not supposed to be used on irritated skin. Avoid contact with eyes. So you're supposed to wear this and leave it for 20 minutes. Now it's time to take this off. This is made in Korea, so this must be really good. Alright guys, I'm going to be taking this from the box. This is for lips, skin, cuticles and beauty finishing, fragrance free. So I'm just going to pop that on my lips. Now taking the Balance Me Natural Skincare Congested Skin Serum. I'm taking the Marseille City 24 Anti-Pollution Day and Night Moisturizing Emulsion. I'm taking the Lumin Invisible Lumination Instant Glow Beauty Serum. And this you're supposed to shake well before applying. I'm now taking the Professional Primer by Benefit. I'm just going to be applying that on my T-zones where my oil start picking through, especially where I've got pores. From the same Birchbox, I'm going in with Paul & Joe Illuminating Foundation Primer number 01. I must say it didn't come with a foundation, so I'm going to use my foundation. I'm going to go off the camera to apply my foundation and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back with my base on. I applied my foundation, which is by Urban Decay, which is in the shade 8.75. I applied my bronzer by Anastasia in the shade Sable, and I applied MAC Sun Power Mineralized Skin Finish. Going back to my Birchbox, taking the Ella Eden London in the shade Faith. I just took off the fallout. There is a lot of kickback in this pan, but it's a very nice eyeshadow. I like it. And it's a metallic eyeshadow. It's not really a matte eyeshadow, but I'm just going to use it because that's the only thing I've got here. I could go in with my blush, but I don't want to. I'm blending it at the same time I'm flicking it out. Running the same shade underneath my lower lash line. Packing that same shade on my outer V. Now going in with a clean brush, using that to blend out the edges. So it's time to dust off the fallout. Guys, I'm going to cut my crease because I'm going for a half cut crease. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. I don't know if it's a good idea cutting the crease because I don't have any other shadow to place there, but I've got this one, which is the Manakada Beauty in the shade Diamond Dust. You can use this as a bronzer, highlighter and eyeshadow, or on lips for a metallic finish. Oh, I'm just going to use a brush to spread it out. Going back to the first shade we started with, I just want to use that to blend everything together using the same brush. Now to clean up my brows, I'm going into the Birchbox, picking the Ico Brow Liner, Shape and Define in the shade Medium. This is also a water-resistant liquid brow color. Picking the Ico London Skinny Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Black. This is supposed to be precise, smudge-proof, and pitch black. Going back to the Birchbox, picking up the Max Factor X Volumizing Mascara. This is supposed to be a smudge proof. Picking the Benefit Cosmetics Sunny Golden Pink Blush. Picking the Larizzi Cosmetics Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Power. Going back into the Birchbox, picking the Winky Lux Disco Kitten Gloss in the shade Far Out. I'm going to be applying that on top of this lipstick. Guys, this lip gloss is beautiful, so unique and different. Picking the Nox Paris, this is a hair, face and body oil. I love this. This is beautiful. Wow, everything I use today is lovely. Guys, you can apply this anywhere you want, especially your shoulder. You can even mix this with your foundation. Just like the way you apply Vasali oil or any of that facial oil, you can still go in with this. You can apply it on your hair. Now going back to the Birchbox, picking the Nox Paris. This is a perfume. Very nice one. And these are Le Matin des Possibles. Les Soins des Possibles. Guys, I'm sorry if I'm not pronouncing this well. I'm not French, please. These are two different types of perfume. Finally, this is the last one. Now going back to the Birchbox, picking the Hotel Chocolate. This is a British cocoa grower, a special chocolate treat for your December Birchbox. Although you are sweet enough already. Isn't that lovely? He likes chocolate and he's coming to have it right now. Which one do you want?
That one, please.
So thank you, Birchbox.
Thank you, Birchbox.
Alright dolls, that brings us to the end of this look. This is my holiday, Christmas, New Year's Eve makeup look using Birchbox. Isn't that lovely? I enjoyed creating this look. Honestly, I love it. In case you want to check Birchbox out, I'll leave their link in my description box. Let me know your thought, guys, and I would love to see you on my next one. Bye dolls!